Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you how to get all items in Roblox for free. You can get hundreds of free items using this Roblox promo code, and this is working right now in 2026. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching YouTube videos. Most of the YouTube videos are clickbait, but I've finally managed to find a working method to get all items in Roblox fast and for free. So before I show you this method, I'm also doing a huge Robux giveaway, and to enter the giveaway you simply have to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go ahead and drop your Roblox username in the comment section below. Now let's get into this tutorial and show you how to unlock all items in Roblox for completely free. Now, as you can see, I'm using my mobile phone, so use yours to obtain your Roblox promo code. And then once you get your code, you can simply redeem it in the Roblox redeem code page. So you would redeem it in the Roblox website in the field here. So let me show you how to get this Roblox promo code for your free items. So you've got to use your mobile, go to www.crashcoupons.com. So just type it like this, Crash Coupons. And if you type it correctly, you're going to see this website. Now, as you can see, I'm just scrolling down this page. They have loads of pages of game codes. So I do recommend going up to the top of the page here where it says search here and just type Roblox promo codes. Now, it is very important you type promo codes, because if you just type Roblox in the search bar, you're going to get tons of Roblox game results and not the specific promo codes for Roblox. So search for that. And on this page, there are 4 verified working codes. Now, these are really popular. Thousands of people have used these, and 100+ people have used them today alone. So you can get different codes, but the code that I'm focusing on for this video that I thought was absolutely awesome was this unlock all items code. So this is a Roblox promo code that you can redeem, and it is going to unlock all items in Roblox for completely free. Now, I've already done this, so I don't think I'll be able to run through the full process, but I will still show you what you need to do. So as you can see, it says your code is ready, and it will be revealed after verification. And you can see these are limited codes. There's 600, so there is a ton of them, so everyone can still do this, and they do replenish them. But you do need to unlock your Roblox promo code. This basically stops people getting more than one of these limited codes. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this page here that tells you how to unlock your Roblox promo code. So you need to complete 2 of the free offers. And as you can see, there is a list on this page. These sponsor Crash Coupons, so that's how they can give us these awesome codes. But you do need to complete 2 to unlock your code. And then you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each task you choose. And as you can see, they're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps. As an example, this one here says download, install this app, and create an account. So if you choose one like this, you tap on it where it will take you to the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending where you choose to do this on. And then you download that app, and you just have to open it up and create an account. So yeah, just complete 2 of these. Like I said, I've already done it, so I'm going to skip forward. Like I said, it does limit 1 code per user. But anyway, if you do everything correctly, it will fully display your code. So I did this earlier, and I grabbed my code, redeemed it in the Roblox website, in the redeem codes part here, and it supplied me with all items. So that is how to get all items free in Roblox, working right now in 2026, uses a promo code. So go to Crash Coupons, make sure you search for Roblox promo codes to find the promo codes page here, and just scroll down and select the all items code. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and leave your comment below for the Robux giveaway. I'm giving tons of gift cards to people who are my subscribers, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.